Hey everybody, it is late at night and I am Norman, so let us begin. Tonight I want to revisit the Christopher Ward C65 Sandhurst. I've already done a video comparing it to the Smiths PRS-29A, but I want to do a review of just the Sandhurst alone and go into a little bit more detail than I did before. The Sandhurst was produced in conjunction with the Ministry of Defense. It is Christopher Ward's first field watch, and it is the first Christopher Ward watch authorized to carry the heraldic badge of the British Army. It is an homage to a Smiths W10, which was issued to British soldiers in 1969. So let's take a look at the Christopher Ward C65 Sandhurst. Here is the box that the Sandhurst arrived in. And if you've seen my C65 Trident review, this will look familiar. They are identical. Here's the other end. Let me remove this sleeve. And here is the box that was within the sleeve. I love how they use wood for the inside portion. And this is super thick. Now, full disclosure, this is not a true unboxing. As some of you know, I just took this watch to Florida with me, but I love me some unboxings. So here we are. All right, let me pull this sleeve off. And let's look at what's within. All right, so first we have the warranty card. The 60/60 guarantee, which is absolutely phenomenal. Some details about it. Art. And I have an autograph. Next, we have the owner's handbook. Some Sandhurst photography there. How to use the crown on a three-hander. No date. Good to know. Some more on the guarantee. And keeping in touch. And we have the watch. Let me just remove this and we'll take a look at the watch. Let me get this box out of the way. Now the band I have this on is not the original strap that it shipped with. However, this is a Christopher Ward band. And it's quick release. The lugs are 20 millimeters, so it's a pretty standard size. It's thick and tough and looks really great on this watch. I have a custom buckle on it, because that's what I do. So let's take a closer look at the watch head itself. Beginning with the case back. There is the heraldic badge of the British Army. Christopher Ward, British Army W10. And look at how deeply embossed that is. That looks great. Get in even closer. Here is the crown. I love that red highlight in there. It's nice and large. Has a nice feel to it when you're winding. And the one thing that Christopher Ward absolutely excels at is case design. As you can see looking at this watch. Look at the sides of the case. The brushwork on this watch is also phenomenal. There's the box crystal. Which looks so good. We see that the indices are in white, but we do have some lume that's kind of in a vintage style. Kind of yellowed. It's a little bit lighter in the hands than on the markers there. It is no date. We have the logo at the top, not the 9 o'clock. Look at how long the hands are. The seconds hand is nearly scraping the edge of the rehaut there. The minutes hand goes all the way through the minute track. And the hour hand nearly touches the numbers there. The specifications of this watch. The case size is 38 millimeters. The case height is 11.6 millimeters. The lug to lug is 45.3 millimeters. The case weighs 60 grams. It's water resistant to 150 meters. The movement that's in it is a Sellita SW10, and it is COSC certified. It has a power reserve of 38 hours and a tolerance of -4 + 6 seconds per day. And again, the lug to lug is 20 millimeters. Let's put this watch on the wrist and see what it looks like. Here is the Sandhurst on my 7-inch wrist. The proportions are perfect. It's a modern size watch. It's not overly small. It's not 35 millimeters like the Smiths. It's very contemporary at 38 millimeters. It really wears kind of like a 40 millimeter watch. It's not overly tall. That crystal just looks absolutely amazing. And I really love the red highlight on the seconds hand. Every time I look at it, that catches my eye. That and the crystal. Absolutely beautiful watch. So there you have it, the Christopher Ward C65 Sandhurst. A watch that pays tribute to British history and takes design cues from an amazing field watch. I think the Sandhurst is one of Christopher Ward's most impressive pieces. They absolutely nailed it with this one. Thanks for watching.